Eurobo na niyo. So, guys, i-sort out ko yung book apps ng book 1 at saka book 2 at everyday ko siya i-upload at dapat everyday nyo rin siya i-memorize at least 10 to 20 book apps everyday. Okay na po yan. At least may ma-memorize kayo everyday para makatulong naman sa exam or sa mga nagbabalak pa mag-exam para may reference kayo. So ito yung number 1, unang book apps natin from book 1. Number 1, kayok, price. Number 2, kakapta, to be close. Number 3, kakum, occasionally. Number 4, kanunghada, to be possible. Number 5, kabang, bag. Number 6, kaso, singer. Number 7, kaundi, chungkan, in the middle. Number 8, kaul, autumn, fall. Number 9, kajang, chill, the most, the best. Number 10, kachok, family. Number 11, kachok sajin, family picture. Number 12, gandan ada, simple. Number 13, gansik, stag. Number 14, kanhusa, nurse. Number 15, kalbitang, short trip, so. Number 16, karatada, pansunghada, to transfer. Number 17, kamgiyak, cough, cold and flu medicine. Number 18, kamgi kulida, to catch a cold. Number 19, kamchatang, backbone stove. Number 12, kamjong, emotion. Number 21, capsule kapta, to bargain. Number 22, cup, price. Number 23, gang, river. Number 24, kangachi, papi. Number 25, katta, to be the same. Number 26, kigang, beginning of the semester. Number 27, git, chonjol, National Foundation Day of Korea. Number 28, kogi, deer. Number 29, gool, mirror. Number 30, gunupyon, across the strip. Number 31, kutta, to walk. Number 32, kolole, map. Number 33, kuruada, to go on foot. Number 34, kuruuda, to come on foot. Number 35, kumsik engine, search engine. Number 36, game hada, to play a game. Sa kabila naman, sinyungkado, credit card. Sincha, believer. Sinchong, New Year's Day. Sinhuchong, traffic lights. Silichungso, white show. Shibiwol, December. Shibilwol, November. Singkupta, to be bland. Sada, pusanghada, to wrap up the pack. Sada, to be cheap. Suda, to be bitter. Surigurul purida, throw away trash. Sulda, to sweep. Shitda, to wash. Agi, baby. Ani, wife. Adel, son. Ari, under. Arumdakda, to be beautiful. Apuji, father. I, child. ID. I sukurin, ice cream. Ajusi, man. Ajo, very. Achim, morning. Achimul mukda, to have a breakfast. Him. Anyong, classes. Andwa, ophthalmology. Anirul batta, to be guided. Anihada, to guide. Anyak, eye drop. Anchon kyuyok, safety education. Anta, to say. Aliyak, tablet. So guys, yan yung unang upload natin for para sa pag-sort natin sa vocabs ng book 1 at saka book 2. So, ayun lang guys sa next time na upload natin. Good luck po sa lahat ng mga aspirants.